Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear all, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sayeda Batool. Today I am going to tell about a special person, Imam Ali alayhi salam. Imam Ali was the cousin and the son-in-law of Prophet Muhammad. Shia Muslim believe that he was the first leader after the Prophet. He was very brave, wise and fair. He was always there to help the Prophet Muhammad and did many good things for the Muslim community. People call him Asadullah, which means Lion of Allah, because he was very brave. As a leader, Imam Ali cared a lot about justice and treating people equally. He gave many talks and wrote letters that teach us how to live a good life. Imam Ali died a long time ago, but his words and actions still inspire us. He reminds us to stand against injustice and to be kind and wise. Let's remember Imam Ali by trying to be fair, kind and wise like he was. Thanks.